It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This month's theme is hydro dipping, and today I'm going to be hydro dipping some fresh Converse that I got off of eBay. I'm going to hydro dip these Converse to match this shirt that I'm wearing from my clothing line, Stereo Soul Clothing. Yeah. I found a cool pair of Converse off of eBay. They were in really good condition and only $25. So I bought them specifically so I can hydro dip them. And that's a cool way to custom design, paint, or hydro dip some sneakers. Find a pair of sneakers that are in good condition on eBay or Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace and buy them for cheap and then customize them yourself. In order to complete this project, I'm gonna need some masking tape, some nail polish remover, some cotton balls. I'm gonna need some primer, some spray paint, and a tote filled with hot water. Y'all ready to do this? Let's get it. Yeah, come on. I ain't even gonna lie. Lupe Fiasco, you inspired this one. We gonna get it going. We gonna represent the shot. Come on. I got my socks fitted on. It's the MC that needs no intro. You know I rock crowds with this major flow. It's official, I'm so lyrical that when I spit a verse, these words will lift you. I'm so amazing, it's crazy, I'm dangerous. I'm hot, I melt a mic with just one touch. I'm so high off life, I don't touch the ground. When I walk and when I spit, I make you move around like Monte. And you can't see me, skills not up to par, you're not MCs. I baptize cots with these lyrical flows. You used to be heathens, now I'm saving your soul. And you can't see me cause my hat stays slanted. I'm so serious, I'll leave you stranded. Tilted like Lupe Fiasco, make you lean and rock. Chi-town, let's go. Black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Got my eyes on the prize, it's my time to shine. I rock my black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Been a minute for a minute, cause I spit the illest rhymes. It's the F to the R, double the E, D-O-M, so just be easy. I'm about to touch the sky like Kanye, you'll never bring me down, I'm here to stay. Too cool, keep it nonchalant, and cats don't hate cause it's skills that I got. But they just mad cause I'm hot and they not, and I don't have to keep a Glock or sell rocks. I'm so conscious, I'll take you higher. I'm a freedom fighter, freedom writer, but I got a mic, not a gun in my hand. Graffiti writer, brown walls with the spray of a can. The only thing that I kill is rhyme and percussion. Pat myself on the back for this ill production. Cats wanna criticize cause I spit a clean verse, but I'm so talented, I don't need the curse. Come on, black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Got my eyes on the prize, it's my time to shine. I rock my black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Been in it for a minute, cause I spit the illest rhymes. They say the pen is mightier than the sword, so I put my blade away and use these words. Till I'm still low neck, still spit facts, and I see you still like the bend on my hat. Get off that. But some like this high, I prefer mine low, can't see my eyes. Rocking all black with the socks fitted, tilted like the earth's axis is. This is not an accident. I was blessed with skills, now I master it. Can't get close to me, I got deep cover. War with more animals than the ring, me brothers get it. I don't have to act hard or tough, cause these dudes next to me will touch you up. I ain't talking about barbershops and beauty salons, I'm talking about broken knees and twisted arms. Black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Got my eyes on the prize, it's my time to shine. I rock my black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Been in it for a minute, cause I spit the illest rhymes. Black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Got my eyes on the prize, it's my time to shine. I rock my black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes perfect with the flow. I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Been in it for a minute, cause I spit the illest rhymes. Yeah, come on. I ain't even gonna lie. Lupe Fiasco, you inspired this one. We gonna get it going. We gonna represent the shot. Come on. I got my socks fitted on. MC that needs no intro. You know I rock crowds with this major flow. It's official, I'm so lyrical that when I spit a verse, these words will lift you. I'm so amazing, it's crazy, I'm dangerous. I'm hot, I melt a mic with just one touch. I'm so high off life, I don't touch the ground. When I walk and when I spit, I make you move around like Monte. And you can't see me, skills not up to par, ya not MCs. I baptize cops with these lyrical flows. You used to be heathens, now I'm saving your soul. And you can't see me, cause my hat stays slanted. I'm so serious, I'll leave you stranded. Tilted like Lupe Fiasco, make you lean and rock. Chi-town, let's go. Black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes. Perfect with the flow, I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Got my eyes on the prize, it's my time to shine. I rock my black fitted, yeah, where my brim low goes. Perfect with the flow, I rep the G.O. Tilt to the side, now I'm ready to ride. Been in it for a minute, cause I spit the illest rhymes. It's the F to the R, double the E, D-O-M, so just be easy. I'm about to touch the sky like Kanye. You'll never bring me down, I'm here to stay. I'm too cool, keep it nonchalant. And cats don't hate cause it's skills that I got. But they just mad cause I'm hot and they not. And I don't have to keep a Glock or sell rocks, I'm so confident.
And there you have it. My brand new custom painted hydro dip pair of fresh Converse to match the shirt that I'm wearing. Pretty dope. Yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought, and I'll see you next time. Remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Yeah. Time to put these bad boys up on the shelf.